Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to make snake gourd egg bites. I picked these snake gourds from my vegetable garden. I have added a small video clip of me picking one of the snake gourds. Take one snake gourd and cut into halves. Take one half and scrape the thin skin. Cut into bite-sized pieces as shown in the video. Now, add one egg into a cup. Add some salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and half teaspoon of black pepper and mix well. Add half a cup chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped bell pepper, 1 teaspoon chopped green chili, and mix well. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add the snake gourd pieces. After about 2 minutes, pour the egg mixture to inside of each hole. Cook for few minutes with lid on. Then turn the other side and cook for few minutes. Take them out now. It is ready to taste now. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.